Pleasant good morning, my people. Thank God for life this morning. Ain't nothing like waking up into nature. My morning exercise at the beach. And today we're having a low tide at the Plymouth Back Bay. Oh, then the morning exercise into the water. Well, thank you, Jesus, for health and strength. Pray for them that deceitfully and despitefully want to use me, Lord. And let the pit that they go, Father, Lord, let them fall in it. The exercise is right. Ain't nothing like living a healthy life. Look at nature too. Sea cleaning. This is the shore. And this is how shallow the water is. And very, very cold. Eventually though, I'm going in and have a bath in a while. Listen to nature. Keisha is at the beach. Thank you, Jesus, for life. Thank you, Jesus, for my life. I want to give you praise. You know, I gave you thanks. I lift up mine eyes unto the hills from whence cometh my help. My help cometh from the Lord, which made heaven and earth. He will not suffer my foot to be moved. Look at my foot into this water this morning. Thank you, Jesus, for life. This is my little clip of Thursday morning exercise at the beach. Look into the beach. View, sea view. Actually into the water. That's how shallow it is, eh? Very shallow. Yep. Thank you, Jesus. I give you praise. Thank you, Jesus. This morning, the birds actually feeding. Look at the distance. These are birds. Early morning. See that gentleman looking for food. Some people just want to lie down and get it. Yeah, they get up and get it. I'm a bestie. Showering too. You don't want to be my thing. Oh Lord, I had to cut it. Love all you. Look how clear the water is.